Benchmade knife, half serrated. Feel the serration before I do it. You always hear you can't do a serrated knife. I have not found one yet it won't do. Take anything with serrations and go right in the middle. This makes it vibrate, chatters through the teeth. It will not round them down or knock them down. It vibrates, chatters up and down through them. No metal at all comes out of the teeth. Yeah, I'll take them babies shaving sharp. Feel that? Is that sharper?
Yes. Yeah, for sure.
Now watch how sharp I'll get this front. Squeeze it in there tight, draw through. This side flexes so it picks up on the original edge. When you draw through, you can only get sharper. Start bringing the back of the knife up. That's where you find razor sharp. They're quick, they're simple, anybody can do it. Use your leather belt when you're done, the rough side, and that's a good finish. You just bring that knife across, keep the pressure on it. That polishes the edge, takes it in the arm shaving sharp. What do you think? American made, lifetime guaranteed. We put our last name and website on the handle. I got them $20 each, 2 for $30 today.